So the first thing I have in morning is my breakfast. Obviously, why did I say that? Yeah, so there is some sprouts, seasonal fruits like kiwi and anar, and then along with this, we have some poha sandwich, which are regulars. But then in winter, we have a lot of these cooked green peas, which I love, absolutely love. Let me know if you love this ghugri, which it is called, too. Okay, so at around 1:30 or latest by 2, we have our lunch. So there's some dal, patta gobi ki sabzi, some saag, and rice. After having this, I fell asleep and woke up at around 4:30 to have my kadha. Again, post this, I had my chai, which I forgot to shoot. I'm so sorry for that. Then at around 6:30, I felt hungry, so I had some eggs, and also because of my hair fall. So after 9 p.m., 9:30, we have our dinner. So there is some same is a kind of beans, and then there's also some French beans. So yeah, lots of beans ki sabzi and roti, and then before going to bed we have our haldi doodh. So yeah, very simple home cooked food. If you like what you saw, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and we want to hit a 50 subscribers really soon. So please help me do that. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.